Here are a few colors. It's in a pied almond. The one in the middle is a black grizzle. Another pied almond. Right next to that pied almond is a ballless blue. There's a blue ball right next to it, which is a ball head too. And then you have a solid blackbird over there. It's kind of it's actually a pied black. The flights are white. So this is the black grizzle cockbird. Here's a pied classical almond. There's a blue ballless. I'm like real next close to these birds. There is a blue bar ballhead. Another blue bar ballhead. And that is a pied black cockbird. Here is a kite bird. It has a kite bronze on it. Pied kite. There's a red bar ballhead over here. It's an opal lace ballhead. Black ballhead. And that is another opal laced hen over here. She's made it to that blue grizzle ballhead cockbird. This is another grizzle cockbird. I would say he's a kind of a blue grizzle cockbird. Clean blue black ballhead. There's a hen too. This bird in the middle, this is a silver check ballhead. She's a hen. The bird right over here, that's a silver check. These are opal ballhead. Some grizzles over there. I'm like really next to these birds. You know, they're very friendly birds. That is an opal on a blue bar. So some interesting colors, and all these are Birmingham rollers.